Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to back up text messages on Android to Google Drive. So here are the steps to back up text messages on Android to Google Drive. So first, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Google. Then go to Manage Backup. Then Google Account Data. Make sure Backup to Google Drive is toggled on. Now, tap on Backup in the top left. Scroll down and look for SMS text messages and make sure it's listed as included. If not visible, just go back to Settings and search for System Backup or Backup to Google Drive. So tap on the result depending on your device. Tap on Backup now to start an immediate backup. Wait until the process completes. You'll see the last backup time updates. Take note, some phones might need Google's Messages app or a third-party SMS backup to include messages in the backup. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.